Little storyteller.
Finny, a little orange goldfish, with big curious eyes, lived in a bright blue fishbowl. One sunny morning, a colorful poster with a picture of a giant bubbly castle floated into his bowl. It said, "Most Epic Bubble Nest Contest," and win the Golden Algae Flake Award. Finny's heart fluttered. He loved making bubbles. He imagined winning the Golden Algae Flake. It looked so yummy and shiny. He started practicing right away. First, he blew a little bubble. Then another, and another. He tried to stack them, but they kept floating away. A friendly snail named Shelly, with a swirly brown shell, watched Finny. "Building bubble nests is tricky," she said slowly. "You need to blow just the right amount of air." Finny watched Shelly wiggle her little antennae. He took a deep breath and blew gently. A bigger bubble appeared. He carefully placed another one on top. It wobbled, but stayed. Days turned into nights. Finny practiced making all sorts of bubbles. Round ones, long ones, and even some that looked a little bit square. Shelly cheered him on. Finally, the day of the contest arrived. Finny took a deep breath and started to build his masterpiece. He blew big, strong bubbles for the bottom, then smaller, delicate ones for the top. He even added a bubbly archway. Other fish sent in pictures of their bubble nests. There were tall towers and wide platforms, all made of shimmering bubbles. The judges, three wise-looking older fish, looked at all the pictures very carefully. Finally, an announcement popped up. "The winner of the most epic bubble nest contest is..." Finny wiggled with joy. He had won the Golden Algae Flake. It tasted even better than he imagined. Finny shared a little piece of his Golden Algae Flake with Shelly. "Thank you for helping me practice," he said. Shelly smiled. "It's always more fun to share with friends."
Please subscribe. Thank you.